Here's some more about Morse trivia. Subscribe. Who developed the first version of Morse code? Is it A. Alexander Graham Bell, B. Thomas Edison, C. Samuel Morse, or D. Nikola Tesla? The correct answer is C. Samuel Morse. In which year was Morse code first introduced? Is it A. 1836, B. 1840, C. 1855, or D. 1830? The correct answer is A. 1836. What is the primary use of Morse code? Is it A. navigation, B. telecommunication, C. music composition, or D. data storage? The correct answer is B. telecommunication. What signals are used in Morse code? Is it A. colors and shapes, B. symbols and icons, C. light and shadows, or D. dots and dashes? The correct answer is D. dots and dashes. What pulse character represents A in Morse? Is it A, B, and C, or D? The correct answer is B. What type of signals can Morse code convey? Is it A, chemical reactions, B, visual images, C, alphanumeric, or D, audio tones? The correct answer is C, alphanumeric. In which country is a Morse code license still required? Is it A, United States, B, Australia, C, Indonesia, or D, Canada? The correct answer is C, Indonesia. What are the three basic components of Morse code? Is it A, light, sound, shade, B, signal, pause, tone, C, line, angle, curve, or D, dot, dash, space? The correct answer is D, dot, dash, space. For which type of messages is Morse code particularly useful? Is it A, simple communications, B, poetry recitals, C, long lectures, or technical manuals? The correct answer is A, simple communications. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.